Hey guys! Today we are doing something different. We are doing a DIY cake table for our wedding.
Definitely. So Pearl found a real cool idea on YouTube, so we're going to use some hula hoops,
Yep.
this little wooden plaque, some tape, so hopefully we'll get our first step done and kind of just put it all together and come along with us for the journey.
Yep.
So our first step, we're going to tape over these little things here, keep them legit and solid. I was only concerned with the spray, how it would look. Spray will just go in there. Let's move to our table. Okay. So like I said, I put some starter holes in the hula hoops and then just use some tiny screws and just screwed it into the base, one on each side. Looks pretty good. Now we got the fun part of shaking the spray paint for, 2 minutes before we start spraying things. Shake your spray paint. Shake your spray paint. Pretty much do just like little passes. Smooth passes. Across it. Grab that far away. Oh.
What?
It's so windy. Glad I closed the garage door.
We're using silver because silver is part of our wedding colors. Our wedding colors are purple, for any shades of purple, silver or gray, and white. So we have to wait for it to dry out. Then we can continue with the next step. Yeah.
Alright. So we got our paint is dry. It's looking pretty good for just hula hoops and a piece of wood being silver.
Oh yeah.
So we have our garland with our white roses. It's very pretty.
Yeah.
So real basic, like I said from the video, that we just use some tape and kind of just tape it around. We'll probably double it up on a few spots, then just kind of circle it, and we got a fancy cake stand for fairly cheap.
Really cheap.
Yeah. We should start.
Before we fold it.
Now, like right here.
Okay.
Separate that and I'll put it there. And then we'll tape it up to here, and we'll angle this back, and we'll tape that around as well.
Alright guys, this is a final look. What do you guys think?
Yeah.
Do you like it? I think we did a good job, even though I feel like we didn't get exactly what we saw in the video, but it could also be that it's the video quality. What do you think?
Maybe.
But it actually looks good. Yeah. So you can just imagine a cake in there, a pretty looking cake, and then having a Mr. and Mrs. in front of that.
It looked pretty good.
Yeah.
I'm excited. One more thing off the list, and a few more weeks to go.
Yep. Yeah, I think we'll have to build a backdrop as well. We're doing that by ourselves.
Yeah.
We are actually planning everything by ourselves. We don't have an events planner or a wedding planner, which makes it really stressful, especially for me because I'm in school trying to get schoolwork done and planning for wedding. I mean, he's helping a lot. His family's helping, but I can't just leave everything for them to do. That's also quite chipping. Especially it being my day. Right?
Yeah.
Yeah.
But thanks for watching. If you like the idea, definitely join in and try one for yourself.
Yeah. And then we'll include the the name of the YouTube channel where we got this idea from. Yeah, I will include that in the description box. So if you want to check her channel out, you can do that.
Thanks for watching. JMP Swirl here. We'll catch you next time.
Bye.